We're eating our lunch. Dart is from the school. And she have coffee and rice. Say hi. And I have mine is adobo and rice also. Okay, let's eat now. Iya ko na ipanihapon. Nagsaadaan. What is that?
Ketchup.
Okay.
Ketchup. More ketchup.
You want more?
Nothing, huh?